Hi guys, so to start off this look we need to cover up the brows, so I've used this wax and I just tried to put them in place and try to fix them so they are not that obvious. So here I'm really happy because it worked. I didn't really know how to cover them. I tried to stick them to my forehead with the glue, but I couldn't. Next I'm gonna hydrate my skin with this CeraVe lotion. And then I'm applying my foundation. This is the Catrice one. All the products will be linked down below, of course. Blend it into the skin. This is a little bit lighter, but it's okay. And then I just put some concealer on my brows because I thought they were still showing up, and just to add more coverage. To get some dark circles under my eyes, I just applied some purple eyeshadow and just blend it under my eyes and dragged it down to kind of make my face look tired. And of course I thought that was too much and just blend it out with my foundation brush. For my eyes, I'm gonna start off with this liquid eyeshadow and just apply it all over my lid. And then set it with a black eyeshadow. Don't try to make it perfect. I don't want a perfect smoky eye. I just want some darkness onto my eyes, and later I'm gonna apply some glitter, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And then with a fluffy brush I just blend out my edges. And of course then I will apply some NYX glitter and I will put it right in the middle of the eye. And then I repeat the same things on my other eye. Blend it a little bit more. Then I'm gonna apply some brown under my eyes just to make my under eyes appear more tired. Then with this Catrice palette I will contour my face. Then I've applied some lip gloss. The next step is the hair, and I wanted to do a wet look because in the poster I don't really see her hair, and I wanted to do some similar stuff, but of course I have so much hair and I didn't want to look that weird. I wanted to use that gel for the hair, but it wasn't product in it, so I just applied some mousse and it worked just as fine. Of course I had to add some pins to my hair, but finally it stayed as I wanted to, so it was okay. Then I wanted to fix my eyes a little bit more. The color was fading, so I've just added some more black and tried to blend it in. Blend the edges. And here is the makeup. For the tear I'm gonna use this Duraline and it works just perfect. And here I'm really excited for my glove. I just found some similar one and I just cut the edges or the fingers I think, and look at it, it's just perfect. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. So this completes this video. This is my final look. I think this is a version of my own. Of course, in the movie she didn't have this smoky eye, but I've just applied it because I wanted a little bit of something there. And of course I have my mask, and of course I have my scissors because this is what she's carrying with her in the movie. I mean, not the mask, so maybe with the mask too. I don't know, I just saw the mask in the poster of the movie. I don't really remember if she had a mask in the film. So I think it's pretty scary, but not as scary as the poster. So we're good, because I want to be scary, but not that scary, you know what I mean? So my costume is really simple. I just bought a second-hand shirt from the men's sections, and this is a mask that was white and I painted it, and I bought it from the kids section and I just transformed it in my weapon. So yeah, good job, Pau, good job. Also, my glove. I mean, I'm so excited about my glove. It's exactly the same as she has in the movie, and I was so thrilled that I found this in the thrift store in a big pile of clothes and shoes, but I found this and I'm so thrilled that I found at such a great price. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it would mean so much to me, and see you next time. Bye!